Shalom. This is your Ark. Yah is magnified. Coming back with another informative video. This video is titled, You Cannot Sue Child Support Under 1983. So with that being said, guys, let's get to it. But before I move any further, I'd like to state for the record, I'm not a lawyer. I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, guys, let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, this is number 2. Elements of a Section 1983 claim, right? Every person. So let's read what it says. Only persons under the statute are subject to liability. A state is not a person subject to suit under Section 1983. Okay, so now it says a state is not a person subject to suit under 1983. So meaning you can't sue the state, right? So I already proved that child support, the agency, is an arm of the state. So because it's an arm of the state, it's like suing the state. So you won't win. And I also proved that a county is an arm of the state. So because a county is an arm of the state, that's still like suing the state. You won't win. Okay? But let's continue to go in further. It says, but a state officer can be sued in his official capacity for prospective or injunctive relief. Now, what is prospective or injunctive relief, guys? That means that's when, like, say if you take them to court in federal law, try to take them to federal court, but you want to sue for monetary damages. No, you won't get monetary damages. Now, what they may do is say, well, we're going to stop the case. We're going to stop them from harassing you. They got to quit harassing you. So we're going to close the case. Okay? The odds of that happening is 0 to none. It never happened, and it ain't going to happen. If it did happen, please tell that person who's teaching you guys this, which is Armin Osiris, tell him to show proof it works. He won't do it. He can't do it. Okay? So anybody telling y'all to go in there and sue underneath 1983 is a waste of time. And they need to study more. Okay? They really need to study more because it's a waste of time. So now, let's continue. Matter of fact, let's go to the definition for injunctive relief. Okay, guys, now let's pick this up in injunctive relief. Now, we're doing injunctive relief because if you expect to sue an employee of the state, right, in their official capacity, the only thing you can receive is injunctive relief. That's it. That's all. No monetary damages. None whatsoever. But let's continue reading so we can see it for ourselves. Injunctive relief. Injunctive relief, also known as an injunction, is a legal remedy that may be sought in a civil lawsuit, in addition to or in place of monetary damages, rather than offering money as a payment for a wrong in a civil action. Injunction relief is a court order for the defendant to stop a specific act or behavior. Okay? That's all it is. But then it says, to explore this concept, consider the injunctive relief definition. Injunctive relief definition. A court order requiring a person or entity to do or refrain from doing a specific act. That's it. That's all, guys. No monetary relief in this. Okay? So, after we go through this, we're going to go through Armin Osiris' client's paperwork, and we're going to see if the man asked for monetary relief from people in their official capacity, which will not work. It will not be granted, for one, and he's going to still be on child support even after he put his paperwork in, because it's going to prove that the guy don't know what he's talking about. So with that being said, guys, let's continue reading, though. Let's go back to the 1983 and read what's the definition of it. Okay, so now we're back. Let's pick this up where it says despite. Okay, it says despite the fact that a lawsuit against a government official in his official capacity represents nothing more than a suit against the government entity itself. Despite this logical inconsistency, the current state of the law is that a state may not be sued for damages, but may be sued for declaratory or injunctive relief. Municipalities and local governments are persons subject to suits for damages and prospective reliefs, but the United States government is not. Individual employees of federal, state, and local governments may be sued in their individual capacity for damages, declaratory, and injunctive relief. So, like, remember I told y'all that my last video, a few of my videos ago, called individual capacity or official capacity. Go and check that out. You get more understanding of what's going on. So again, guys, this is to show y'all again that the state is not considered a person underneath Title 1983. You know, it's so simple to see. So if the state is not considered a person, then the arms of the state are not considered a person. So you can't sue this. You can't sue this county. You can't sue the state. You can sue an employer working in their official capacity, but only for injunctive reliefs. So no monetary damages. So now let's go to Armin Osiris' paperwork to see is his paperwork offering asking for monetary relief. And if it is, then again, the guy don't have a clue what he's talking about. I keep showing it over and over and over again. You know, so let's go back to his paperwork and let's read that. Okay, guys. Now, this is Armin Osiris' paperwork that he wrote up for his client. But as you can see, he's showing everyone in their official capacity. Every last one of them. See? Official capacity. Every last one of them here showing in there. He's showing all of them in their official capacity. Now, I showed you guys, you cannot receive monetary damages in a 1983 lawsuit when you're suing them in their official capacity. No. Only thing you can receive is them to stop a cease and desist, basically, just to stop bothering you, and let you live your life. But look, again, don't take my word for it. Official capacity. He's showing everybody in their official capacity. Every last one of them. There's like 4 people right here. 5 people probably. 5 separate people in their official capacity. That's 3. This is 4. Official capacity. You see, guys? Let's go up. 6 people in their official capacity. This man's showing 6 people in their official capacity. Wow, man. Look, official capacity. Again, official capacity. Come on, man. All these people in their official capacity. And he's trying to seek monetary damages for that. And I showed y'all, man, you cannot seek monetary damages when you're showing in 1983 when they're in their official capacity. The guy don't have a clue what he's talking about, man. But let's scroll up and let's see. Let's go to page 13. This is 27 pages of pure garbage, y'all. 27 pages of pure garbage that will not make it in court. I guarantee you that. Anybody that paid for services that made it through the court, got their day in court, got to speak in front of a judge, and got their case dismissed, please come forward today, man. Make me a believer. Because I know it don't work. So make me a believer. Here it is. Page number 42, guys. It says, wherefore, ranking demands judgment for the above declarations against all the wrongdoers, jointly and severally, for actual, general, special, compensatory damages in the amount of $7,000 and further demands judgment against each wrongdoer, jointly and severally, for punitive damages in the amount of $7,000 plus costs of this action, including legal fees and such relief deemed to be just and equitable. You're not getting equitable you can't get equitable relief when you're showing them in their official capacity is already proved. So it's no monetary damages. So why does he continue to ask for monetary damages? It beats me, guys. That's, like I said, he don't have a clue what he's talking about. Now let's go to page 14 and see if it's the same thing. If he asks for monetary damages, here we go again. Therefore, same thing, but he's still asking for what? Another $7,000 for the next person. Every count he got on here is for $7,000. So, yeah, it's not going to work, guys, as I proved already. And to prove it even further, I bet you nobody come forward and say and provide proof that they filed a lawsuit and won. Not even the man who giving this out, he can't provide proof that he went in there and won. So again, Armin Osiris, more exposing you, man. I'm exposing you, man. I don't have to teach your documents. Only thing I got to do is show them where the inconsistency at. And they're gonna see that, yeah, man, you can't get no monetary relief according to 1983. You see? But you're seeking monetary relief, man. You better go after that injunctive relief if you trying to sue these people in their official capacity. So, hey, man. Again, this is just more proof, more truth, more facts, man. That's all I deal with, man. The facts are gonna be the facts, no matter what. He can't come back and rebut this fact, because it's a fact. They're all facts, man. All proof and all truth. His best rebuttal is to have somebody come forth with their documents, with their showing proof with their case, saying that, hey, I sued and I won. Here's the proof right here. That'll never happen, guys. So again, with that being said, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I'm also the bearer of good news as well. Because you can win. You know what I mean? And you can get off. But you got to do it the right way. And Osiris is doing everything the wrong way. Believe me, I know. I'm showing y'all what the law says. I'm showing y'all in his own documents that he's showing people in their official capacity. The guy, like I said, man, he's a nut job, man. He don't know what he's doing, man. You know. So with that being said, though, you all be blessed. Like and subscribe. You need my help, hit me up in my email at y'allismagnified@gmail.com. Make that donation. We get the ball rolling. But until then, you all be blessed. Shalom.